Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 5 of the most pets in Grow a Garden from the Beanstalk event that you get from the sprout egg. Now, I'm not very sure about the number 2 one, but it is listed there. So, number 5 is the jackalope. I do have that. I don't have it like on my lot though. I just have it here. So the jackalope, every 100 seconds, it has a chance to mutate random plants with the sandy mutation, and it gives like a solid 3 times multiplier to your plants. Then there's brigand. I don't have that yet. Every 20 minutes, it spreads the bloom mutation to nearby plants, giving an easy 8 times multiplier. Golem, I don't have that either. Every 5 minutes, it cuts off 60 seconds off the mutation machine. And if you stack a bunch of them, the machine runs insanely fast. It's that pet mutation machine, by the way. Then there's a seedling, which I do have. A seedling. Every 5 minutes, it swaps mutations between plants. So you can hopefully get an op mutation and it gives it to your best plant. But that's still like iffy. It can also like steal mutation off of your best plants. So I don't know if this is the number 2 one. Then the number one is the golden goose, the gold goose. I don't know. It's here though. It's the golden goose over here. Let me just pick it up real quick here. It's this golden goose, which I luckily got today. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about it. So every 13 minutes, it lays a golden egg worth at least 11 million shekels. And since it's a normal plant, it can get big and mutate even more. And if you sell the egg, you can get like your plants mutated with the treasure mutation, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, sorry, fortune. Why did I say treasure? So if you sell this, you can get the fortune mutation on your plants as well, but it's very like difficult, I guess, to get it. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.